Hello children, now first class mathematics 12th chapter introduction of tens from 10 to 100. Introduction of tens from 10 to 100. In before class 2 I am saying what 1 to which one? 1 to 20 I am saying. So listen children. Here again I repeat some 1 to 10. Again I will give 10, 20, 30. That spellings only I will give it. Okay. ONE1. Say all of you. ONE1. TWO2. THRE3. THRE3. FOUR4. FO. Here children, I am writing opposite too. ONE1. TWO2. THRE3. FOUR4. FIV5. FIV5. SIX6. SIX6. Write all of you children. Write all of you. SEVN7. EIGST8. So not clear some. NINE9. TEN10. TEN10. So children observe here. ONE1, TWO2. Say all of you, read with me. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3. THREE3. FOUR4. FOUR4. FIV5. FIV5. SIX6. SIX6. SEVN7. SEVN7. EIGST8. EIGST8. NINE9. TEN10. So here children you observe I am saying only 10 to 100. TEN10. TEN10. Say all you TEN10. TWENTY20. TWENTY20. Say spelling 20 spelling. TWENTY20. THIRTY30. 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 FORTY40. FORTY40. FIFTY50. 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 Say all of you. TEN10. TWENTY20. I am saying that spellings only. 10 after, not 20, 11, 12, that numbers only. Okay children. So 20, 21 same. This spelling will came means we'll add this 21, 22, 23. So are you understand children? TWENTY20. THIRTY30. THIRTY30. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 40 spelling, listen carefully. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 40 spelling. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 50 spelling. Some members writing F-I-V-E-T-Y. Don't write like that, okay? F-I-F-T-Y 50. 50 spelling. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 40 spelling. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Next. S-I-X-T-Y 60. Say 60 spelling. S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Say 70 spelling. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Next. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Say all of you, repeat again. T-E-N 10. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-F-T-Y 50. S-A-X-T-Y 60. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. E-I-G-S-T-Y 80. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Okay, children? Write all of you this. Write all of you. Write neat handwriting to write. Don't write side to. One by one write. Okay, children. Now, in page number 93. Take out your textbook, children. This all write in your notebook. Afterwards, take out your textbook. Page number 93. Page number 93. 93. Count in tens. Write the number in the boxes. Here giving, children. See here. 110. 110 equals to. This like only given. 10. T-E-N 10. Yes? Next one, second one. Two tens. Two tens. T-E-N-S tens. Two tens. What is this number? What is this number, children? 20. Say all of you 20 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Next one. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Say 30 spelling. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Next one. This like only given dash tens equals to F-O-R-T-Y 40. This like only given. 40 means how many Next one. Five tens equals to dash 50. 50 number means 5 tens means 50 only 50. 50. 5 tens equals to 50. 50 spelling FIFTY 50. Next one. Dash tens equals to 60. How many tens in 60? How many tens having 6? 6 tens. 6 tens equals to 60. 60 spelling SIXTY 60. Next one. 7 tens. 7 tens equals to SEVENTY 70. So here write 70. Next one. 8 tens equals to 8 tens equals to the blank only given, the blank to what to write here? 8 tens means 80. Say 80 spelling EIGSTY 80. EIGSTY 80. Next one. 9 tens. 9 tens equals to dash 90. NINETY 90. 9 tens equals to 90. 90. Here last one. 10 tens equals to 10 tens equals to how much? 100. 100 spelling HUNDRED. HUNDRED 100. Are you understand, children? Okay, I repeat again. TEN 10, TWENTY 20, THIRTY 30, FORTY 40, FIFTY 50, SIXTY 60, SEVENTY 70, EIGSTY 80, NINETY 90, HUNDRED 100. Write all of you children, write and learn. Okay children. Write and learn all of you. Are you clear the board? Okay. Write and learn all of you. In next one, exercise problems is there. So that exercise problems in next class too explaining. Okay children.